My name is Matthew Charlin. I'm a director at l'École de l'Automobile. Please join us in conversation about l'École de l'Automobile.
Well, hello and bonjour. I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. I am having a great time right here at l'École de l'Automobile in beautiful downtown Montreal. I want to tell you, I like being in conversation with people that are enjoying their learning experience. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name's Emilio Kassimatis. I started this school a few months ago, and before that, I really didn't have any experience with cars. I never worked on cars before. I knew something that interested me because I always worked with my hands my whole life. And I saw this school. I saw they worked with people that never did any mechanics in the past. I came here and I got a great experience from the start, and here I am.
So Emilio, you knew that you wanted to work with your hands, and that was important to you. Talk to me about the program you're in. What is the program you're in right now?
I'm in the technician program,
okay,
where we learn to work on the cars, learn how they work,
right,
learn how to fix them. And I really like this because it's a lot of hands-on work.
Okay.
We have the shop back there, so we can learn from the computer and then actually go and practice and learn with our hands.
Right, so a little bit of theory, and then you follow it up by putting your hands on the machine. And that's how you learn best.
Exactly.
Yeah. Talk to me about your instructors. They come with a lot of experience when you come to a place like this. Talk to me about the importance of that for you.
Mr. Eunice he's always really excited to be here. He always answers our questions. He's always on top of everything. He always gives us great tips that we can use for the future, and he's just really handy all around.
Wow. So you're a few months in.
Yes.
Talk to me about your passion for cars and automotive now.
It just keeps growing and growing.
Is that right?
Even on the weekend, sometimes if my family has something wrong with their car, they ask me. If I don't know the answer, I'll ask Mr. Eunice. He's always answering, and then I'll go and fix the car myself.
Yeah. What's been your favorite thing to work on so far?
Honestly, I've done a lot of bearings.
Is that right?
Yeah,
you like that?
Quite a bit of bearings and brakes, yeah.
Right. And you start at tires around here, right?
Yeah.
You start right from the very basics.
Right from the floor.
Can you change tires pretty quickly?
Yeah.
You good at that?
Yeah. Not bad, not bad.
Some of these trophies behind me here are for tire changes, right? They take that stuff very serious here. You got to learn the basics before you move on, and that's such an important skill. And now the other thing is about the school is that they're so focused on helping you get a job at the other end. Talk to me about why that's so important for you.
Because I find that in the past I've had a hard time finding a new job. So for them to be backing us up to help us find another job, I find it's motivating. You're not scared to go, okay, what's next? Because you know that they'll help you or you'll find a job one way or another.
Yeah. Emilio, you know, sometimes when you're deciding to go back to school or change your career or whatever, it can be complicated. It's challenging, right? Finding that right fit. And it takes a lot of courage, so congratulations for doing that.
Thank you.
So tell me about your experience when you first arrived at the school. What was that like? Just sort of those first conversations.
When I first got here, I met Antonio, and then he really showed me around the class, and then he interacted with some students here and there. So I got to see that everyone here really enjoyed their time. He showed me around the shop. He showed me people working. So I got to see that people were actually doing things in the shop, and it wasn't just like only computer work. So that really interested me. So that's why I knew that this might have been a good option for me.
Emilio, there'd be all kinds of people out there just like you, wondering, is this for me? Can I do this? What would you tell them?
I would tell them yes, because I've seen people from any background, I haven't worked on cars before, and I'm here and I'm pretty good so far. From what my teacher tells me, I'm doing pretty good. So even if they have no experience, I'm pretty sure they'll manage.
And that's what passion in action looks like. It's happening right in front of our eyes, right here at this school. Thanks, Emilio.
Thanks for joining us. For more information, ecolauto.com.